In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your password in FreshBooks with a clear and easy step-by-step guide. Whether you've forgotten your current password or just want to update it for security reasons, I've got you covered. Let's dive in by first navigating to the FreshBooks website. You can easily find it with a quick Google search or by simply entering myfreshbooks.com into your browser's address bar. Once the site loads, you'll find yourself on the FreshBooks homepage. Now, let's move on to the next step. On this page, you'll spot the Login button, usually located at the top right corner of the screen. Just click on it. Once you click on Login, you'll need to enter your account credentials. So, type in your email address and password to gain access to your account. If you've landed on your dashboard, congratulations, you've successfully logged in and are ready to proceed to the next stage. Now that you're logged into your account, the next thing you'll do is locate and click on your account icon. Usually, it's positioned in the top navigation bar, often represented by a small icon featuring your initials or profile picture. After clicking, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select the Account Profile option. This section is your personal hub on FreshBooks, where you can view and manage personal details, including your password settings. Once you've entered your account profile, look for the option that says Change Password. This should be clearly visible on the profile page, often under your account's security settings. Clicking on this option will take you to a new page or open a pop-up prompting you to enter your new password. Now that you're here, it's time to choose a strong and memorable new password. Enter your new password into the designated field. As a quick tip, a robust password typically contains a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Adding variety makes it harder for unauthorized users to break. After entering the new password, the next step is to confirm it. This is an important step to ensure that there are no typing errors in your new password, so enter it again in the confirmation field. Double check to make sure both entries match to avoid any login issues later on. And there you have it. Once you've confirmed your new password, your FreshBooks account will save your changes and your password will be reset. By following these steps, you've successfully updated your FreshBooks password, enhancing the security of your account. Remember, it's a good practice to update your passwords regularly to protect your information. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helped make the process straightforward and simple. Have a great day.